I would like to introduce myself. I am S.K. Prathipa, Department of Chemistry, Hindusthan College of Engineering and Technology. Today I am going to tell about human rights. So we are going to discuss about definition of human rights, Universal Declaration of Human Rights, European Convention on the Rights of a Child. First, we have to see what is human rights. Human rights are the fundamental rights which are possessed by all human beings irrespective of their caste, nationality, sex and language. These rights cannot be taken away by any legislative or any government act. As natural rights, they are seen as belonging to men and women by their very nature. India is a democratic country. The aim of our government is to ensure happiness to all citizens with equal rights, opportunity and comforts. Every citizen must enjoy certain rights and also has certain duties. So what are the Universal Declaration of Human Rights? It was established in the year 1948. Some of the declaration is listed below. Human rights to freedom, human rights to property, human rights to freedom of religion, human rights to culture and education, human rights to constitutional remedies, human rights to equality, human rights against exploitation, human rights to food and environment, and human rights to good and health. Now, I am going to tell individually. First one, human rights to freedom. Every citizen has the freedom to express his views freely. Citizen can assemble at any place to express their views. They have freedom to form unions or association. They have freedom to build their houses wherever they like. They have full rights to start any profession. Second one, human rights to property. Every human being has the right to earn property. Third one, human rights to freedom of religion. Every citizen has the freedom to choose their religion according to his wishes. All religions are equal before the law. Fourth one, human rights to culture and education. All the citizens have equal rights both in culture and education. The minority communities like Christians, Muslims have their own rights to conserve the culture, language and to establish educational institutions of their own choice. Fifth one, human rights to constitutional remedies. If a citizen is denied any of these fundamental rights, he or she can go to the court for protection. The court has the power to protect the basic rights of citizens. Sixth one, human right to equality. All citizens are equal before the law. There is no any discrimination on grounds of religion, caste, sex or place of birth. All are given equal rights for employment. Seventh one, human rights against exploitation. Children should not be employed as laborers. Every citizen has the rights to fight against exploitation. Eighth one, human rights to food and environment. All human beings have the right to get sufficient healthy food, safe drinking water and healthy environment. Ninth one, human right to good health. All human beings have the right to have very good physical and mental health. So these are the human rights given by the Universal Declarations for our Indian human being. Next I am going to tell about the European Convention on the Rights of a Child is children are entitled to name and nationality. Children should be provided with the benefits of social care, including adequate housing, recreation, and medical services. Children who are physically or mentally handicapped should be provided with extra care as appropriate. Children should not be discriminated against because of the age, color, religion, or anything else. Children should be given adequate opportunity and facility to develop emotionally and spiritually, morally and physically. In all situations, children should be the first to receive protection and care. Children should be protected against cruelty, neglect and exploitation. Children should be protected from any practices which may encourage discrimination. Children are entitled to a free education. Children are entitled to love and understanding. So we have to obey all these human rights given by Universal Declaration and European Convention, and we have to follow this human rights. This is ethics for us. So thank you.